Hi friends, let us understand under the Income Tax Act where there is a judgment passed by the Honorable High Court, and in that situations if any person is not satisfied with the judgment or the order passed by the Honorable High Court, then what are the remedies available to the aggrieved income taxpayer? In that situations is a option and to file the appeal under section 261 of the Income Tax Act before the Honorable Supreme Court of India, and that appeal can be only filed before the Supreme Court of India only when the High Court issued the certificate of fitness to file appeal before the Honorable Supreme Court. So in that situation, if the High Court has refused to grant the certificate of fitness to file the appeal before the Supreme Court, then in that situation, appeal cannot be filed under Section 261 of the income tax before the Supreme Court. And in that situations, the aggrieved party have an option to file the SLP, special leave petition, that is enshrined under Article 136 of the Constitution of India. So in that situation, the aggrieved party have only option to file the appeal. It means SLP before the Honorable Supreme Court. And a leave petition, it is a discretionary power of the Supreme Court to accept to grant the SLP or dismiss the SLP. So in SLP, there should be a constitutional question of law. So substantial question of law is involved, or there has been a gross injustice done. In that situation, SLP may be accepted. So SLP can be filed under Article 136, and it is a discretionary power depending on the facts and the circumstances before the Honorable Supreme Court. And in this situation, so who can file the SLP? SLP can be filed by the aggrieved person against the order of the High Court, or against the order of the High Court, or the High Court has refused to grant the issue of certificate for fitness to file the appeal before the Supreme Court. So in that situation, so when can be SLP filed? So what is the timeline? So SLP can be filed within 90 days from the date of the order passed by the Honorable High Court, or within 60 days where the High Court has refused to grant the issue certificate of fitness to file the appeal before the Supreme Court. So in that situation, SLP can be filed within that period. To get more information, please subscribe.